So I want now download some packages in Sublime Text. So we have a short key that to go to in packages. So suppose uh, Control Shift P, and it will show me or not. Control P is for file searching, and uh, browse packages. You find yes, go to symbol in project. Control Shift R. No, it is not. We I think the key is now changed. Command Plus Control Shift P. Yes, I'm also Control Shift P, but this is not showing me Control Shift P. No, I think my key is used somewhere in other software. So let that go to from here and go to tools and Control Shift P. I will check it. The first package is now the basic is to write HTML code. Basic code is emit. Emit. Before go, we have to go to install package control, and here it will install it. So the package control is now installed. And again go to so package control is installed. Select package control install. Every package that you want to install, before that we have to done package control install package. So here you can see loading. It will load all the repository from Sublime, and here now we can check our package. So first package is emit. When you type it, you can see the emit is the first one, uh, emit. Select it, and now the installing the package emit. You can see now the package is installed, and we can also check it from browse packages and Sublime install packages. So number one, emit Sublime package is installed. So what the purpose of emit, what it can do? So I will check it in later other videos. But let me show it can HTML5. First save this file. Let me save it on desktop. So here you can see. So we can using emit package, we can automatically basic code of HTML can write it. So we will check it the shortcuts in other videos. This video is for the packages, how we can do some packages. Okay. Okay, go to say again into tools, commandability, and install packages. Select your package, install, and the second package we will install, which is uh, the basic one, mm, uh, lorem ipsum, because in some where we need some text data. So I think it is now installed. Let me check it. Browse packages, Sublime install packages. So lorem ipsum package is installed. Again, go to your tool, commandability, and now we will install our comment snippets. Okay? Command comment snippet. It is not searching. Toggle command image, toggle command snippets, command not searching. Before that, let me show you the list of packages that I have. Not it's not here. Okay, install package, and now install a file icon. File icons, file icons. So this package is being installed. Now the package is installed. Close it, and again download another package, which is dog blocker. Why it is not appearing? Okay, install packages, dog, this one, dog blocker. So it's being installed. It's install. Go to command plety and package installation, file icon and image, dog blocker, and package control, PHP companion. This one is the greatest package, because in Laravel you have to call some classes anywhere, so you have to give a manually path, so it will automatically include the complete absolute path for the when we start our application of smart expense keeping application in Laravel. So you will see it, how we can intensively use this package PHP companion. So PHP companion, the package is being installed. The package is installed. Let's check the package is installed. Install packages. So PHP companion package, lorem ipsum, emit, and dog blocker, a file icon. These packages are installed. Okay, let's do something for another packages, for Laravel packages. Package control install package. And the first one, Laravel Blade autocomplete. Laravel Blade autocomplete. This one. The package is being installed. The package is installed. Again, go to command plety package control install and choose your other package that you want to install, which is Laravel 5, Laravel 5 snippets. This one package I want to install. Yes. So the package is installed. Go to command plety and go to package control install package. This one is Laravel snippets, Laravel 5 snippets, and Laravel Blade highlighter, Laravel Blade autocomplete, Laravel Blade highlighter. Package is installed. Go to command plety install package and Laravel spacer. I also need spacer. Laravel spacer. A package is being installed. Tools, command plety package control install. And now other one is Laravel Blade autocomplete. Laravel Blade, not searching, auto Laravel dogs. So here, when you type Laravel, you can see more of the packages are listed in dog. So Laravel Blade Slip, Laravel Helper. Yes, this is also a great package. Laravel Helper Companions. Laravel Helper Completion. Sorry. Okay, close this. Now the package is also installed. Let's check the what packages we have right now. Install packages. So Laravel Blade Spacer, Laravel Blade Highlighter, Laravel Blade Autocomplete, and Laravel 5 snippet image doc blocker file. And also you can, if you download command plety package control install and blade snippets. Tools, command plety package control install package and type your package add remover. Now bootstrap 4, bootstrap 4 autocomplete. This one, the package has been installed. Command plety package control install package and now bootstrap 4 snippet sublime. Bootstrap 4 snippets package is installed. Tools, command plety package control install package and search the package, which one is Buma. Buma CSS. Buma is also a framework for CSS. Maybe we use somewhere in development. So Buma CSS framework autocomplete. Also, let me do for jQuery. jQuery snippets. jQuery jQuery snippet. These are the packages I intensively use and excessively used in my developments. So before I start the expense skipping application in Laravel, and so let me do Sublime packages and installation of basics, just as we see in Nazam server and Sublime tag. Okay, do it. Install the package. Okay, the basic packages are now has been installed, and the as per the other packages that will be, may be required, we will do when we do start our development. So till now, take care.